There are 4 ports available on the pressure switch. One of them has to be tank pressure in, and I can put the other accessories on any ports anywhere because these are all connected. So one of them I'm going to plug out because I'm not going to use, but I'm also going to have a pressure gauge on one and the safety relief valve on the other. Just got to add thread tape. Always got to go clockwise around the fitting if you're looking straight down on it. No torque specs as far as I know for this type of thing. The way these go together, you put the nut on with the threads facing towards the end. Then you put the little insert in, and that will tighten up against the threaded fitting like this. This nut happens to have the compression part built into the nut. Sometimes there's a separate piece like this, and in that case, you would use the bare nut. That goes on threaded side out. Then you would put the little compression ball thing on. Mine doesn't fit because it's used, but then it would tighten up in the same way. The way the hose attaches to the pressure switch is with this push to connect coupling. You just push it in like that, and then it bites on and won't come out. Now let's see what the cut-in pressure is, the low pressure.